Hi guys, sorry that I didn't make videos, but I didn't get time to. But you know about fidget spinners? So they are the popular stores in the world already. So I'm going to show you my fidget spinners. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please leave a like and subscribe, and say which one is the best for you in the comments. Okay. So here's my first fidget spinner that I got. I got it from China shop as well. This is how it looks. Just a normal original blue one. And now I play with it, spin with it, everything. So now this is the next one. It has lights, and this is how it spins. So this was my second one, and this was my third one that I got. It was a pretty metal one, spider. Now I will make more videos about this one. I made already a video, so this is how it spins. Okay. Now this is the first one. I just bought it today, so it's one that is a sail ship's wheel and stuff. Now this is how it spins. It's very smooth and stuff, and I can spin like this, all of this. And I hope this was a fun video, and until next time, goodbye. Bye.